All set and ready to go now. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. As you can already see, it is a travel vlog. It's Thursday night, 2 days to the trip, and here I've just freshly washed my hair, and I'm about to do it now. It's about 1:37 a.m. Yeah, but I'm gonna see what I can achieve tonight, and then we continue tomorrow. And right in this video, we're gonna have so much fun. Up the mess, drop it in the. So last night I was able to achieve that. Now I've only started doing is 5:30 in the evening the next day, and I'm doing the crochet now. Let's see how long that takes us. My braiding hair finished. It's currently 7:52 p.m. and I've gone to get more. I'm not in the bush, I promise. I'm on the highway. Just having a little walk back home. It's not quite far from where I live. This is me enjoying my ride back home with my leggings. All right, see you when this hair is done. It's nearly done anyway. You can barely, figure that it's not done entirely because, a girl is fine. However, I have to fix in between the hair so that it can be fuller than it is now. Let me just give you 360. Yeah, that's it. Right, a couple of hours later, this took me about roughly three and a half hours, I would say. Right, so the good thing is that I had made the crochet braid before today, so that took me about 2 hours. So say in total everything would be like 6 hours. Yeah, so ready for the beach water. I love it. With the higher pen, can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things. So this is the best I could come up with. I've tried my best. Gosh, I'm crying. I hate doing lashes with semi-permanent glue. They're super painful. Acne has finished me, guys. I'm dealing with the spots now, which of course is always difficult to treat, but we got this. That's not the topic for today, so let's get on. Let's do what we have come here to do. It's actually 1 a.m. in the morning. Our flight is for 6:35, but we don't live very close to the airport, so we want to get there quite early. We didn't take train. I haven't tried trains. I promise you I don't like it. Yeah, I haven't explored it anyway, so I don't want it. So we're gonna go catch a bus now. We've already booked the bus. It's for 2 a.m. so we're getting there, so we're not late. I don't want to hear stories that touch today. I had dreams twice. I've dreamt twice that I missed my flight, so no, not taking chances. So we're gonna go now. So where are we now? 2 hours 35 minutes early. Yay. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. You want me to take a selfie with you?
Yeah.
On your phone?
Yeah, yes.
Why? I don't know, I can't hear you.
Translate.
From the city. For a souvenir from the city.
I'm from Serbia, and
Okay.
selfie.
No, I'm sorry.
Please.
No.
Why?
I don't know.
Why? But why I don't know?
I don't want to take a selfie.
One selfie.
No. I'm sorry. Take care.
Please.
No.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Hi guys, so it's officially the first day in vacation here in Montenegro. Yeah, I'm calling it first day because obviously the day we came, I'm not going to count that one. Right, don't mind my face, I've been asleep all day. Tell me why I've wasted my first day of vacation sleeping. Well, the body wants what it wants. I've been stressed from work and all of that. Obviously the vacation was to get some rest. It's about half 5 p.m. now and I'm only getting out of the house. Been sleeping sleeping away my vacation, but I guess that's the last long sleep we're gonna sleep till we get out of here. We need to get the best out of here, so I didn't want today to waste entirely. I'm gonna try and do something. I'm not sure what, because I'm sure most of the activity will be rounding up by now, so I've just stepped out to see if I can, you know, go to the spa, just do something really. So if I do that, I'm gonna carry you guys along and see how it goes. Never seen so many boats at the same time. Lord, that's so pretty. So mind you, here I was using a Google map to find the nearest spa, and it was more like a time to tour the place. I promise you, I never thought I was gonna tour this place like I did on this day. And if I'm to show you everything I saw here, everything I recorded, we're gonna be very long on this video, but I'm just gonna give you a snippet of it. Okay guys, so obviously they didn't have a walk-in slot. Apparently I knew that, but you know, I was just gonna give it a shot. So what I have to do now is go online. Hello. Go online and see if I can book another day. Not today, not even tomorrow. Well, we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching this far. Trying to make memories as much as I can. Jesus, is exhausting. Who thought vacationing where you have to create content can be exhausting? That's why I'm such a bad vlogger, because these things exhaust me so much. So I'm just gonna go have dinner now and then call it a night. It's 7 p.m. now. We'll start again tomorrow. Thank you and have a jubbly wobbly evening wherever you are, whatever time you're watching this video. Bye. Remember when I said I was not going to sleep again on this vacation? I lied. We slept again and we woke up in the evening. So here we were, touring around again, just enjoying the night views. The night views are so amazing. And then there's this beautiful yacht my husband fell in love with. Oh my god, the way he talked about this yacht. I'm not so good with stuff like this, so I tried to get a video of it. You know, if you know about yachts, say something in the comment section. Actually, we're not just walking around this time. We're going for a dinner in this cool restaurant we saw on the first day we came. So we said we're gonna have dinner here one of the nights. So this is us trying to get to the place, and like I said to you, the night views are so amazing. They're so beautiful. I know I've shown you all those views, but I have to show you again. We had a good evening. I'm gonna call it a night. Going back to our lodge. It's been an amazing time. Hi guys, so is there what now? Day 3. And we're trying to go for a boat cruise. Hoping we're gonna make it. It's for 3. It's 1:30 now. And it's not in the city where we are. We have to catch a bus and go there and go for the cruise. So wish me luck. We're gonna have fun and I'll get some memories for you guys. Say hi to my camera and vlog.
Hi, camera and vlog.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Alright guys, see you later. Bye bye. Updates. So we're here now. About an hour early. We're thinking of what we can do in an hour. It's so noisy.
Oh my god guys, this is one of the bumpiest boat rides I've ever been on. I don't know what it is. I don't know, there was so much bump on the sea. I don't look forward to doing this again.
So they said we are at, where are we? Island of the Lady of the Rock. Yeah, so it's there. Got to spend 20 minutes here. God, I'm so stressed. That was a bumpy ride.
I was so tanned on this day. In fact, me and my husband, we were so tanned on this day because we were under the sun for over an hour, even before the boat ride started. And then we were waiting for some other people to join the boat when it was time. So many things. God, I was stressed on this day, really. This is not something I want to try again unless I can get
Where are we
a better
now?
experience doing this.
Perast. Perast, baby. We are Perast. Steve. Composure. So I made this man wear sunscreen today.
And I'm looking black.
He's looking
Nah,
so like,
not again. Never again.
Jesus.
My melanin is doing the job.
it's not popping at this point.
Never wearing sunscreen. Ever.
But I look darker myself, can't you see?
Yeah.
I look darker too. For some reason, I think we are getting tanned. We've been under the sun for a few hours now, so it's understandable. God, I'm not sure if you're pregnant. Don't do this. If you go on a baby moon, no matter at what stage of your pregnancy, if you're pregnant, don't do this. Your baby will just do like this.
Thank you. Put your phone back.
Which superhero is that?
My love, telling you, finish all my money. I don't give a fuck. Your body fits within it of me. Partially profit never like me to get me.
So we've come back from the boat tour, and then we came to this open market, wherever thing it is. There were very beautiful things to see. So we had some pizza. Here they sell pizza by slice, so they'll just cut up a slice for you. And then we had some gelato. These were really, really nice. My husband enjoyed it, as well as myself.
Cheers, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's happening.
Oh my god! We need to go home. Oh yeah. Are you from here? Turkey. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. Okay.
I decided to come.
Yeah, he does. He does. Bye. Goodbye.
I'm gonna go home now. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys, so it's day 4, officially the last day in Montenegro, so our flight is tomorrow. I've had a good time regardless. This evening we're going to the beach, see what it looks like, see what happens there. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Hope we're gonna have fun.
My love, Colonio. Finish all my money. I don't give a fuck.
Hello. Right.
I love you, my baby. My love, Colonio. Finish all my money. I don't give a fuck. Your body fits pretty dead of me. Partially profit never like me. To get me I love you, my baby.
Hide it. Baby, do you want this?
Don't. Don't taste my own. But the thing is, my own is it's alcoholic.
Well, at least this one has some sweetness. That's my own souvenir from this. Oh, I'm losing my souvenir. I'm not a fan of collecting things that I don't need. Most of your souvenirs are things that are not tangible, but like I said, I'm not a fan. This is where we come to the end of today's activity. Bye-bye. It's my vlog.
Bye.
Our last night here in Montenegro, but not the last. So we're gonna come back because we had a good time. Time well spent. Yeah, I think this is the part where we come to the end of this vlog. If you've watched this far, thank you so much, and I hope to make more travel vlogs, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then I'm gonna peace out. Please like, subscribe, comment, share if you like it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.